All right, about to put the first one on.
See, I don't know you at all, but I'm bout it. If you bout it, don't give a fuck if you're involved, cause I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah. Don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly, I swear you're my savior, girl. And I don't know if I'll see you later, so I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah. My head has been spinning, I might need a minute. I've been dying to kick it, so just come with if you with it. And this game that we're playing, you want me but won't say it. If I told you I'm leaving, you would be so devastated. Oh, and I don't want no bullshit excuse like you ain't got.
So I realized that this actually doesn't line up. Don't know if they had the wrong template for the number plate. Maybe it's a mess up on their part. We'll see about that. I'm still gonna try to put it on and then maybe just cut the ends off here.
You at all, but I'm bout it. If you
So this graphic is not meant for this number plate. So I'll contact Moto Cuts and let them know.
cause I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah. Don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly, I swear you're my savior, girl. And I don't know if I'll see you.
What I ended up doing was just kind of wrapping these around at the top where it overlaps. And then just cutting off these little sections here at the bottom. Came out okay, so I'm gonna rock it like that for now. Don't know if I'll even message Moto Cuts, because it seems to work. I think it'll last for a while on there. Looks pretty cool, matches the rest of the bike, so I'm pretty happy with it. I don't know though, comment if you guys think I should message Moto Cuts and get the right one for this. That way it fits a little bit better. So yeah, let's put it back on the bike.
And I don't like to fight, you're the type that I'd like to wife. Guy feeling like life is nice, at the movies eating Mike and Ike's. And if the price is right, then I guess I'm bout it.
See, I don't know.
Alright guys, so here's the full kit. Finally got it all on, just the numbers. Gonna leave the stock graphics on there for a while, and eventually at some point I'll get the fenders and the swing arms and the fork guards. Yeah, just want to throw up the numbers. Shout out to ODI and True MX. Twin Air I just put on there for fun. They don't give me any discounts or anything, but I do like Twin Air products. But yeah, just running the stock stuff. All right guys, it's now around 7 o'clock. Had my buddy over earlier, we got a workout in, and I let him ride around the 85. Wish I would have filmed it. Well, actually I tried to, but he didn't want me to, so I got like 5 seconds to film. You already stalled it. Don't. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and load up my car. I gotta go into work for a couple hours tomorrow, and then right after I'm heading over to the track. I'm gonna go ahead and pack up the tools and get my gear together. One thing though that I'm super psyched about, I finally got one of these goggle bags. I've just been throwing my goggles in this bigger bag back here. Fly gear bag. This would be a lot better. Holds like 6 goggles, 5 or 6, and padded pretty well. And I could fit one right there, and then probably fit one right here, and then I just threw some tear-offs up here. Pretty sweet, pretty stoked about that. And a couple weeks ago I did pick, well actually maybe about a month ago, I got the Alpine Star Tech 3 boots. Much needed upgrade. They're not the best Alpine Star boots you can get, but they're definitely better than the ones I was running. So I really like them, they're pretty comfy and they fit well. I'm not getting any discounts or anything from these guys, but just heard a lot of good reviews, and it was within my budget, so picked them up. I'm gonna be rocking these for a while. Overall good boot. Just to show you guys, here's the old ones I was rocking for a while. Got these from the local power sports shop down the street, and I got a hole up here, so I was always getting dirt all over my sock, and then it started grabbing onto my shift lever. You know, they're just worn. I've had them for like 7 or 8 years, so I figured probably time to upgrade, get something that's a little bit more protective, that's gonna hold up to riding and not have holes in it. And another thing here, guys, if you guys checked out my recent post, I got some gloves from O'Neill. Gonna be checking these out, seeing if these are good. There's no grips on the fingers though, so I don't know if they're BMX mountain bike gloves or what, but I thought these matched one of the Moto jersey and pant kits. These ones do have grips on there, right here, and lettering the O'Neill logo on there. And then I finally got a pair of knee pads. If you guys watched my other video, I'm sure you saw I got a rock that went right into my knee, busted my knee. I still got a bump on my knee. It's been like 3 weeks. These are pretty sick. I'm gonna be throwing these on and showing you guys how these go on and how they feel, really, because I haven't ridden at the track yet with them on. Just kind of wore them around at the house here. If you guys saw these here and you're wondering what these were, I finally got a new set of gear. Pants, jersey, finally got my name and number on there. And I'll show you guys what I got when I get to the track. I'm actually undecided whether I'm gonna wear it or not, because I like it so much that I don't wanna ruin it before I go race, end up wrecking and ripping something. It took a while to get here, about 4 or 5 weeks for them to send it through production and then get it back and send it off to me. I'm gonna show you guys what new gear I got when I get to the track, and hope you guys like it. You can leave some comments on it. Here's a little sneak peek of the jersey here. Oh yeah, one other thing I was thinking of is to get some lens cleaner. You guys know of any good brands or anything that you guys use for your lenses to keep them clean? Let me know in the comments definitely below, and that'll help me out a lot, because I definitely have a slot up here to get throw some lens cleaner and stuff in there, and that'll just help keep my goggles clean instead of wiping them off in the jersey all the time. What's up, buddy? Coming out to check on me? All loaded up, ready to go for tomorrow. Just gotta mix this up and that'll be good to go. Currently doing 40 to 1. I got 5 gallons in there. Let's see if we got enough oil. I got another one of these. Just using Yamalube right now. Oh, just about out. Let me go grab the other one. There we go, brand new bottle. Try to get that up around the 5 gallon there on the dot. I try to be perfect. But yeah, like I said, just running the Yamalube right now. 2R Racing 2-stroke engine oil. Everyone tells me I should get clots. Just gonna run that for now. Not doing any additives or anything, just using pump gas, 93 octane. So the premium, I think there's ethanol in it. So if you guys have any suggestions for additives or maybe a different premix oil, let me know. All right guys, just got back, so really nothing else I could do today. I asked a buddy if we could go over and ride on his trails maybe, but he's not even home. So what we're gonna do now is just work on some things I was gonna do at the track anyway, making sure some of my torques are up to spec. It's been a while, and I did recently adjust my forks, I don't know, 2-3 weeks ago. So just gonna check some of those things, and like the handlebar torque specs, and just the rear, the front axle, and maybe the subframe too. I've yet to even do that. I was thinking about raising my front or my rear brake, so probably gonna adjust that. And that's about it. Maybe tomorrow on Sunday we'll head back out to the track, get some riding time in.
I don't act like it clearly, and all this shit is a mirage. I'm just rapping for a cause, the life, the fame, the lights, the game.
All right guys, legit, finally leaving now. Pulling the bike out to Creekside again. I checked their Instagram earlier, so they are open today at 10 to 3, and it's about 10:45, 4 hours to ride. So that'll be plenty for me.
Yeah, every day that's you and me. All day that's us, boo. Came through with that new thing. See, I don't know why I trust you. Crazy now, I'm just too on. Maybe now I'm just too gone. Maybe now I'm just looking for that same vibe that you on. Cause I'm out here.
Go, finally made it.
Crazy in this bitch. Overseas, getting Benz. No Mercedes in this bitch. We made the album 9 months. Had a baby in this bitch. I'm with your babe on the run. Like I'm Jay-Z in this bitch. I don't smoke a lot, but I get green. But ball out, no SBs. I caught you out, you got serving that beat stop. No step team, I came through and that's real shit. No, Nova came, but I feel this. Feeling kid when I feel banks. I still be spitting that Will Smith. I shut it down, we do that. Hell yeah, we knew that. That girl gave me them crazy eyes. Orange is that new black. Black code, that's why I'm think about it. Trust me, that's why I drink about it. They talk a lot, but it's all good, so it's too real. Don't think about it.
She take me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face, she can see through my soul. I said don't think about it. I said don't think about it. She took me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face, she can see through my soul. I said don't think about it. I said don't think about it. Came up as a church
sleeping, man, you don't know where I come from. You don't know what I've been through. Realize I don't say shit about all the bread that I sent you. You getting mad, I'm sitting back, I'm fucked up, I'm getting trash. Gotta go watch 2 gold chains and I go real like Trinidad. Trick, I'm the man. Act like you know me, popping off like a semi. Man, I rap like it's loaded. I mean my crew hot, your crew not. We too sick, no flu shot. On this side, it's all big, man. I ain't dissing on Tupac, just East Coast, all East Coast. These young bloods don't know better. Most of y'all got no chill, they'll get it poppin' in snow weather. Some kids just need love, they'll put in work for like no cheddar. Looking up to them dope boys, they got bands like Coachella. Yeah, just remember, I might have your girl for dinner. I'm the man year round, January to December.
She take me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face, she can see through my soul. I said don't think about it, I said don't think about it. She take me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face, she can see through my soul. I said don't think about it.
For the girl that got away, 2 times for the above, I'm about to spray, 3 times for the power that I pray to. Are you up there?
Thank you, thank you.